Okay, so I'm about to blow your mind. As an entrepreneur, all you have to do is copy what I'm about to teach you and your life may change. No, actually your life will change. Just make sure to stay to the end because if you don't, it may not make sense to you. And before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Akil Wade, and I've been creating content in the technology space for over 10 years now. I've got hundreds of courses literally where I just break down how to make money when it comes to AI. And I'm a nerd. I'm the type of person that knows everything about World War II. And I also love to explore the world, like traveling to weird places that most people don't know exist, like for example the country Kyrgyzstan, where I go watch grown men throw around a dead goat on horses as a sport. Like this is actually their national sport. So long story short, I love learning about weird stuff, and that's why I'm so obsessed with AI, because the concept of some smart computers just taking over the world is just weird. And seeing how the world is going, I just knew I needed to learn about AI, because life can be hard and I feel like I tried every business model, and business is a lot of work. A big problem was I never knew where to start and I always felt alone. I tried to start a marketing agency, but I couldn't find clients. I tried drop shipping, but I couldn't find a profitable niche. I was literally working 12-hour days, but somehow still couldn't find a way to make more money. I don't know about you guys, but success to me is being able to travel the world and hang out with my loved ones while also having money coming in at the same time. So I went on YouTube and tried to listen to the gurus that told me to set more goals and hire more assistants. I was just trying to figure out how all these 18-year-old kids online were renting all these yachts in Dubai every weekend. I want to be on a yacht. Surely all of them can't be trust fund babies. But then I found a way to use AI to figure out exactly how all these kids are making $100,000 a month. You see, it's not the goals that they're setting, but it's the systems that they're using. And with AI, you'll be shocked how simple it is to set up. So all right, let me lay it on you. Are you ready? Okay, make sure to pay attention. Let's do it. Okay, so first of all, you guys probably all know this guy, Andrew Tate, right? Billionaire Andrew Tate. This is exactly how he's making $14 million a month. $14 million a month, okay? So everything you see in purple is the way that he gets traffic. Then you'll see how he generates interested leads that'll be in blue. And then we are gonna show in like this little orange color how he's converting his interested leads. So basically all of this is how he's generating his traffic, and he's not even on any of these accounts really. These are other people on his accounts that are directing traffic to him through an affiliate program. Then he uses Rumble, his personal Twitter, newsletter, and then Telegram also to direct traffic to his landing page. So this right here that you're looking at is $1 billion formula. So with this massive audience, he's moving everybody to a landing page. Then from this landing page, he's sending these exact messages to people to basically convert them into paying customers. People pay for his real world university.com thing right here. And that's how he converts these people, which are $49 a month. And he's got 280,000 buyers. That's how he's creating this amount of money, right? But then he's using a chat bot plus Telegram to go ahead and convert these people to his high ticket war room. And these people are paying $8,000 a month. These are the messages that he's sending to get people into this Telegram group to convert them over. And this is how much money he's making off of these 1,000+ people that are in that community. And then he downsells people into that community to also pay him $49 a month right here. So if you're looking at this and you're like, yeah, that's cool, but it's Andrew Tate, right? I've got something for you. This is somebody that you probably don't know, just an average person. And this is how he's making $100,000 every single month. Same formula, get traffic, generate leads, and then convert them into buyers. He's generating traffic in 4 different ways: his YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and newsletter. And these are all the exact messages that he sends people. And he funnels them all to his free masterclass landing page. So basically through his TikTok and Instagram short form content, he funnels them straight to his landing page. But on YouTube, he funnels them straight to his paid community. And he uses YouTube to send people directly to his paid community because he can skip this entire step of the landing page, because this landing page video is what people watch on YouTube. And all the videos that he's making on YouTube is basically funneling people to this long video, which is 7 hours. It's basically 7 hours of free content that he's giving people to show that he has like credibility and shows that he can give them value, right? Because when you give people value up front, they trust you and they're like, yo, if I pay for something, it'll probably be worth it, right? And basically all these videos on his YouTube channel is talking about how you can build a school.com community. This is the ultimate social proof for what he's teaching. And then like I mentioned, he links all of his videos to the 7-hour recording. Your video doesn't have to be a 7-hour masterclass. So that's basically how he's using YouTube. And then if you come over to his Instagram and his TikTok, you see they're not even like big followers. You got 21,000 here, 13,000 here. And even if you don't have that big of a following, it's okay. It can still work. But he's basically funneling everybody in all his videos. He's making reels and stuff to that free masterclass. And then that's his first method. And how he's doing that is he'll make a reel, right? And then he'll tell people to comment the word school. And then he uses AI, he uses a mini chat to basically send them this automated message. So he basically is saying like, do you want to join this free masterclass? And they're like, yes. And then he sends them all the information that they need. And then that basically sends them to this 7-hour recording, which always gets people to convert to buy, right? This is the landing page that he uses after that 7-hour recording. And this is the message that you see as soon as you get into the school.com. And basically he uses the free school.com to funnel people into the paid school.com that he has. So the free school.com is just set up to just move people over to the paid school.com. And then the other way that he's generating leads on Instagram is through ads. So he has these ads right here. And this is the exact message that he's sending on the ads that is really working. And then his ad is sending people to the free masterclass landing page also. So then when you get to the paid school.com, this is what it looks like. And also the main reason that he's running ads is because he doesn't want to rely on the Instagram algorithm. So he's probably pumping a little bit of money in here and it's really converting well for him. So even if Instagram isn't pushing his content and like he doesn't have a lot of followers or whatever, these ads really work for him. And then fourth, he has a newsletter. So once you sign up for his free newsletter, he basically sends you a whole bunch of social proof, right? Like people that are in his community, like the calls that he gets on, how many members are in here, how much money that he's making, and how much money that other people in his community are making. So more social proof, results, and value stacks. Then this is the second email that he sends you, and he basically uses FOMO to drive you into the paid community. He has a great offer saying that he'll give you 100% money back guarantee, which is amazing that he does that. So this was like a month ago right here. So he had 345 members and they were all paying him $98 a month. But now when I look at it, he has 793 members and they're all paying $125 a month. Let me ask ChatGPT, what's 793 times 125 dollars per month? Yeah, so that's about $100,000 every single month from just that community. And he's probably got private clients and stuff like that too. So the first video that you see in the paid community is like a sales video. This is the about page. So when you go, this is like the landing page that school.com gives you. And this is a sales video pretty much. And then all of these other videos and stuff are just testimonials to get you guys to like come into the community. So in this video here, we broke down every single thing that he does in this video that makes people drive into sales. Here's the value stack, like all these things that you're gonna get inside of the community, which is amazing. So what he's doing is he's creating a no-brain offer, right? Money back guarantee. People don't have to worry about losing their money, right? He creates urgency by saying the price is going up soon, which we've seen. It went to $125 and people are still paying. And then he has a limited bonus, which is cheaper. And then he's also making crazy money off of the affiliate program that he has, because school.com basically pays you if you're referring people to school.com. And he's making videos about how to create school.coms. So people are creating it and then he's getting paid for people creating it. And then he's making 40% monthly recurring revenue for life from school.com every time somebody signs up someone. So that is insane. This kid is probably making $300,000 a month. But yeah, Max is just one example. Like we're talking about a whole bunch of different creators that's making a ton of money using these tactics. And we've got all of their tactics broken down. I even found this lady on Instagram and she has 2,000 followers, right? Just 2,000 followers. And she's making over $500,000 a month with just running ads. $500,000 a month, and she's not even really making content. She's got 5 posts. So for Max to do this all by himself, it would literally take him too long. He's probably got a team to do his mini chat, his YouTube, his newsletter, to run his school.com membership, his landing pages, but we can use AI to make this process so much smoother. So basically what's going on here is you take a scalable product that people want, promote it by using social media platforms or ads, and then use AI to be your full team because it's impossible to do it yourself. But if you're an entrepreneur and you're ready to take your business to the next level, and you're ready to create a strong system, more money, and a stable revenue source, I created a full course breaking down how to create a system like the one that I showed you, breaking down every step of the process with all the details that you need, so that it won't take you 3 months to create something like this. All you have to do is join the Circle Systems course today. But I've got something else that you might be interested in. For you guys, I think it's too much work and you just want to hire us to do it for you. You can join the waitlist to become a private Circle client. And basically, we're just going to figure out exactly what system that you need inside of your business. And then we're going to build your unique system based on your company's needs. But we only can take a limited amount of clients, so be sure to be ready once you're accepted. This is what you've been looking for, my friends. And thank you for staying to the end. You're going to be ahead of the curve because very few people are actually using AI in their business. The links are below. See you on the other side. Let's go.